things, how you guys all doing today? And welcome back to another video.
Aye! Oh my Sorry about that. I'm sorry. Hi guys, welcome to our video. We're glad to have you here. Let's go. Hi. I'm feeling posh. God.
So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a topic that I think is very interesting. I always say that I think the topics are very interesting. I think because all the topics are interesting.
Because you can relate to them is what you see every day.
You're shorter than me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel one more time. You know how we do. We're here to make you have a nice time while watching this channel, getting to know, and we want to make impact. So that's the reason for this channel. So you know, we're in the spirit, we are in the Valentine season, you know, in the spirit of Valentine. All you guys that want to buy boxers and singlets for your husband or your boyfriend, let me know. I will not swear for you. I will not do that.
Are you subbing me?
I'm not. I don't know. All of you that have planned that the only thing you give to your boyfriend during this Valentine period is text message and we don't want your hold it. Yes.
So in today's video, you've been rambling. You've not said what we're talking about.
No, I wanted to say it. You took the words out of my mouth. So in today's video, yes, we'll be talking about a very, very sensitive topic.
I agree.
Very sensitive, and we all can relate with it. Can you date your friend's ex?
That's deep.
Can you date your friend's ex? Just can you do that?
First of all, before we even say our 2 cents, I don't know Casey's opinion, he doesn't know mine. But before we give our 2 cents, just type yes or no in the comment section.
In the comment section.
And then as you're watching, you can be
first
to it.
Just yes or no. Yes. After watching, you now give reasons.
Exactly.
You understand?
As you're watching.
This is a 2-part exam. First, answer yes or no and explain in not more than 5 lines.
Thank God you're not a lecturer.
If I'm a lecturer, I'll be wicked.
Thank God you know.
Very, very wicked.
So what are you saying?
So for me, I for one, I believe that you should not date your friend's ex. The whole drama.
Well, you said yes one day when I asked you. You said
no,
you can.
No, I didn't say that. I've never had that mindset. I had a personal experience, you understand?
Okay.
My friend dated a girl back then in the university. He dated the girl. So after school, I got close to the girl. Like we got closer, we became friends. There was a time we used to go out together. Sometimes when she comes to Lagos, she will hook up with me and we'll have to spend time together.
Hook up with you?
Yeah, like hook up, not wow, why is your,
well, I just said hook up with you. That's all I said.
You need to wash your mind.
It was a question.
You need to wash your mind with the blood of God.
Blood of Jesus.
With the blood of Jesus.
Yeah, now, so
wash your mind. So I found that I was getting close to the girl, but I didn't want anything other than just friendship, because one reason I will never date my friend's ex, or it won't even happen. I have this mindset that if I start dating my friend's ex, that means all the time they were dating, I had intention of dating that girl. You don't understand? Like when the relationship was working.
Doesn't it depend? What do you think? Doesn't it depend? What if if they broke up a long time ago?
I will not date my friend's ex, but if I know that my friend once dated that girl,
yes, I
would not. If I know about the relationship, yes, ma'am.
Okay, first of all, sorry to interrupt. Come back to you. If you ask me straight up, I will say no. I will never. I can't. I don't believe in going back to my own vomit. Not talk of my friend's vomit.
Jesus.
I'm not saying that you're making it sound harsh. I'm not saying it in that kind of harsh way. I'm just.
You know how to say harsh thing, but in a very, you will say, the person say yes ma, I take the.
I don't mean it like that. Nobody is vomit case. You know what I mean?
Yes ma.
What I'm just trying to say is that even me, I had this personal principle growing up that if we break up, like in a relationship, I'm going to do all I can to make it work, to be a good girlfriend. But if we break, like if you get me to the point where
you do everything to make it to be a good girlfriend. Yes.
Somebody can testify.
Yes. Hallelujah.
But if we get to that point where I say, okay, my mind is out of it, I'm not going back to you. Yeah. So if that's even my personal principle, I don't think I can do that with my friend. Now, the reason why I don't believe in dating your friend's ex is because I feel that except if you and that friend are never going to have a future together.
That means
like how are your social situations going to be?
You don't
how
understand.
Are your family meetings going to be? How are your how is the wedding even going to be? Does your friend will not be able to come to the wedding? Or they'll come but they'll have to just swallow that.
The whole drama and the whole thing is going to be very, very.
And let me give you guys from actual personal experience. So when I first moved to Lagos, there was a guy that was coming after me, and this guy happened to have dated my best friend like 10 years ago.
Jesus.
I know. So
Jesus.
The funny thing is, I didn't
about
even know that they had dated until before I came to Nigeria, and then we talked about. She was like, "Don't you remember that we dated?" I was like, "I didn't even remember." But the minute she told me that they dated, it changed everything for me. So fast forward, when I came into Nigeria, the guy started telling me that we should get married, we should pray about getting married, yada yada yada, and everything. Do you know, I couldn't even tell my friend I was speaking to this guy because I didn't know how to bring it up to her. Like I didn't know how to tell her. Not like we were even speaking like getting all chatty. I wasn't even.
Your story would have been on Insta blog. Okay.
So my best friend has moved on. She's already married with kids. But even with the fact that she has moved on, this is the relationship of over 10 years ago. I still couldn't bring myself to even be close friends with this guy. Not to talk of dating him. Now I'm trying to imagine if maybe me and my friend were not close anymore. I would still feel awkward about
it. Okay, let me ask you this question. You didn't know your friend dated him.
Yeah.
And the conversation didn't come out between you and your friend until when you guys started dating, and you've already loved this guy, and you are dating now, leading to marriage. Will you break up with the guy just because of this?
It will be a conversation we will have to have. Like me, myself, the guy, and my friend.
Okay, you
will have to talk about
a conference.
Casey.
No, I'm just asking.
We will have to talk about it, and we will have to be on the same page. Like we'll have to sit down in a room and talk about everything, future, family meetings, birthday parties, children, dedication, everything. There has to be no awkward situation. So, but funny thing is, like, some people don't really mind, because I remember when I was asking my brother about it, he was like, wait, but she's married with kids, so do you think she'll really mind? I said, I don't know, but I don't want to risk it. Do you get? Maybe it would have been a different thing, as you said, if I'd already fallen in love with the guy. But I hadn't I hadn't even thought of falling in love with this guy, so it's very easy for me to know that, listen, there's so many other fish.
That's why we
to fish in risky waters.
That's why we Nigerians, we Lagos boys, in quote, once you start dating a girl, you put her picture everywhere on social media.
You know that this thing has happened to us.
So yes, now I know now.
Do you want to talk about it?
No, not today. So not today. The thing is,
no, but we've talked about it, so it's not a very sensitive topic. The thing is, with us, you didn't really date her.
No, now.
You guys didn't. You liked her.
No, I liked her. I did everything to make us date, but it didn't just work.
The girl didn't accept.
It didn't accept.
And then by the time I and Casey started dating, I found out that he and the girl, like, you had tried to date her before.
No, before we started dating now. That was when I told you now.
Was it before or after?
It was before.
It was before.
When we were friends. Because I knew you guys had a common factor.
Yeah, that exactly.
It would eventually pop up. So the earlier I sort it out and make you understand.
And she was more Ado's friend. She was more my elder brother's friend. But nevertheless,
to be honest, she was matured about it.
Yeah, she sent me a message. I was in Dubai at the time. She sent me a message and she was like, oh, you're with, I hear that this guy is talking to you. Do you like him? Is he a good person? Is he treating you right? I was like, yeah. I heard some things about both of you, but I don't really know.
You didn't tell me this part of the story.
And she was like, no, it's fine. That, I mean, you guys were children. I don't know. She just like washed it away. She was like, no, it's fine. She said, as long as you're happy and he treats you well, then like she doesn't have a problem. That was what she said.
You didn't tell me this part of the story.
If I think at that point, even if she had said she had a problem with it, me and you had already started really talking.
Yeah.
So
I feel like crying now. Oh.
So the point was, because my first definite answer was no, I cannot date my friend's kids. But then there are some situations you can never really predict. There's some, it's not black and white.
It's not black and white. It's not yes or no. Yeah. Like, for example, I start dating a girl, I've already fallen in love with her, planning a future with her, and all of a sudden we go out, I introduce her to my friend, I'm like, I dated this girl, blah blah blah.
What if they were physical? Do you think that would make a difference?
Everybody has gone physical on another person in one way or the other. You don't understand. If you are looking at those factors, do you get what I'm saying? You won't.
You could be blocking your happiness.
Yes, you could be blocking your happiness. He too, somebody is getting physical with now, has gotten physical with another person.
Talking about friends.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Now that was in the past. You understand?
Yeah.
You're moving on. You're trying to build a new relationship. So you should focus on that relationship. For me, if the guy told me, I'll ask my girl, like, what's up? You dated this guy? Yes. But that was in the past. Okay, let it be.
What if he says he's not fine with it? Would you still carry on with the relationship?
He's not fine with it in what sense?
With you dating the girl. Like,
I didn't know.
This is my, like, I don't want you dating her.
No, it's not possible. You can't tell me. Is he my father? What's wrong with him? If I slap him, nonsense. Can you tell me that?
Yes, calm down.
No, how can you tell me I mean
so sensitive
the love of my life? And you're now telling me I don't want because I should leave her since you have she's your personal sacrifice.
To be honest, I think we both have the same stand here. I think our first option is no.
No,
we wouldn't be friends.
But if you
there
look
are
at
great
it,
areas. Number one, are you and the person? Okay, you guys are still friends.
We are still friends. We are still friends. We are still friends.
It's an active friendship. To be honest, is no on every count. Except if I don't know that you guys are dating. That's the only exception.
If I know. Like I was in the know, I saw you when you guys dated and everything.
An active part of the relationship.
No, it's not possible. It's total cut out.
Yeah,
exactly. Because it will make your friend will feel betrayed. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That means all the time they were dating, you were not happy, you were just waiting for the guy to end the trip.
Exactly.
So that you used to book the cab again. You understand? You should understand my wisdom. I don't give out this wisdom anyhow. It's because I'm with you. So the guy will not be comfortable. The guy will not be comfortable about it. The guy will he will feel betrayed. That's the end of your friendship. The same way I will feel because you're my friend.
So if it's a friendship that you're willing to throw away, then it's fine.
No, this is what I'm saying. If I'm an active part of that relationship, I was in the know when they dated, I won't try it.
What if you were not an active part?
I didn't know about
your friends now, and then you find out that he dated the person you're dating now.
No, what's my problem with that?
Okay.
Let it things
So it depends.
Yeah, some people will say, I would date. What concern me? They dated before, it didn't work out. Now he's working out with me. God can bring my wife through any person. You understand? True. That's their own bet. My own for the purpose of friendship, trust, and dignity. I won't do it. You understand?
Like with me and my friend, they broke up like over 10 years ago. I didn't even remember that they had dated, but I just couldn't bring myself to see myself having a future with that guy. It was just too awkward on so many levels. Like I could not.
You know, this thing affected you in one way or the other too. So we are in this. We are on this table together. You understand?
Oh my God.
We're on this table.
Should we give them the story time?
No, not now. Today we are talking about serious stuff. You understand?
No, but that's part of it now.
Yeah, next story time. So I wasn't aware. I didn't know. Even when I met him, you were not even in the conversation or in the picture. You understand?
Okay, let's just give them a small summary.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys, I have a best friend.
No, not best friend. No. That cannot work.
I had a best friend.
No, that cannot work here.
I had a best friend, a guy.
No, don't use best friend. You dated the guy. How can you come and change it here? You once dated the guy.
And I didn't know that the guy is Casey's friend.
No, it was not my friend when you guys were dating.
Exactly.
So it was later in life. You know.
Yeah, they now met in Lagos while I was not even in Nigeria. We became friends.
We became friends.
He was already engaged to someone. Me and you were already talking, we're already dating.
So you understand. So it was when he told me, you know this baby, she's my friend and everything. Before I asked you, now told me, you had something to do with it. Yeah. You understand?
And it was a very awkward situation at some point.
No, it wasn't awkward. It wasn't awkward.
It was.
Do you know?
Do you know why it was awkward?
Why?
Do you want me to say it?
Say it.
Because of the time where me and you had a misunderstanding.
And
Casey was trying to tell him to talk to me.
Yeah. And
the guy was coming to date me.
You understand? So all those things will tell you this life. So, but that's on that side. But to be honest, if I was an active part of that relationship, I knew about it, everything, I would never do that. You understand?
So if you had known that me and him dated 10 years ago, you wouldn't have dated me?
If I had known,
like
when we became friends, he was already in a relationship that time.
Okay, so it was fine.
It was fine. What I'm saying is, if I was an active part, like when he was dating you, I knew
about the relationship.
We're all mutual friends.
Because you didn't even know him.
I didn't know him. You understand? We're all mutual friends. We go out for dinners and all that. We go out, we hang out together. I will never try it. I will never try it. You understand? I just cut it out in my brain. You understand? That's how it works.
So basically, we both maintain the same position on this one, and the solution is no.
No.
I wouldn't date my friend's ex. You wouldn't date your friend's ex.
unless this
especially if you are an active part of the relationship.
You knew about the relationship when the relationship was on. You understand?
If it's something you didn't know about, you didn't have any idea about, and your friend is okay with it or genuinely comfortable with it, it's fine. But 90% of the time, it's a no.
It's most definitely. No, so just let us know what you
guys. I always forget to say subscribe. Do you know?
Please, we are begging you. Please subscribe. We have a target. We still have 299 subscribers. Please, let's make it 500 before Valentine. Please, we are begging you, subscribe to our channel. Please. You have not seen anything. We'll blow your mind.
You understand?
You don't understand the thing we are coming with. We are just giving you this one to whet your appetizer. Please, please. We still have a video we want to make, shut down the whole of Nigeria.
We want to take you guys on our journey.
We have a mission. Please, we have a mission. This channel is not only to entertain you, fun and game. We have a vision to impart life, set an example. That's our vision for this channel. Please, we are begging you. I know the work we put in. You understand? Especially this wonderful lady you're seeing here. She has sleepless nights, editing, trying to come up with concepts and ideas for this video. Please don't make her cry. Please. Yes, she puts a lot of drama into this video.
That's why you're not looking at my face. I put a lot of drama and I take a lot of drama.
Yes, she takes it because of me on this video. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, comment. Let's get your feedback. If you feel,
I feel like we are friends with our audience. It's not audience. It's not a talk show. It's a friendship.
It's a friendship. So if you feel there's any way we can improve on the channel, just DM.
There are topics you want us to
talk about. Just DM us, criticize us constructively, not like Instagram, social media through. Yes, say anything you want to say. We'll handle it. Thank you very much. That's our role. I sign up. Peace and love. Let's go. Blah.
Why are you saying that?
That blah is the G. Blah. Please subscribe.
He wasn't recording.
Don't even say that thing. I can see 21 something. Don't even try it.
Now I've taught you when it's recording. I can't be pranking you. Don't worry. I have a prank loading.